Hindu beliefs affect views on mental health and its treatment? Hindu beliefs, rooted in centuries-old traditions and philosophical teachings, offer a distinct perspective on mental health and its treatment. This perspective is characterized by a holistic understanding of well-being, where mental health is intricately linked to physical and spiritual health. Hinduism's views on mental health and its treatment are influenced by concepts such as karma, dharma, the importance of balance among the body, mind, and spirit, and the significance of social and familial networks. Holistic approach to well-being. Hinduism emphasizes the interconnectedness of the mind, body, and spirit in achieving overall health. Mental health issues are often viewed through this holistic lens, with treatments addressing not just the symptoms but the underlying imbalances within the individual's entire being. Practices such as yoga and meditation, integral to Hindu tradition, are employed to restore balance and harmony, demonstrating the religion's comprehensive approach to mental well-being. Karma and mental health. The concept of karma, the belief that one's actions in this and previous lives influence one's current state, impacts Hindu views on mental health. While this perspective can offer a sense of personal responsibility and empowerment, it also poses challenges, particularly if mental health issues are seen as a consequence of negative actions. However, this view is counterbalanced by the emphasis on compassion, self-improvement, and the pursuit of dharma, righteous living, encouraging individuals to seek healing and balance. Dharma and social support. Dharma, or the moral and ethical duties prescribed by one's position in life, underscores the importance of social and familial support in Hinduism. Mental health treatment is often seen within the context of one's relationships and duties, with strong community and family networks playing a crucial role in supporting individuals through mental health challenges. This collective approach fosters a supportive environment for dealing with mental health issues, though it may sometimes lead to stigma or pressure to conform to societal norms. Yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation, deeply rooted in Hindu practices, are widely recognized for their mental health benefits, including reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. These practices promote mindfulness, enhance concentration, and facilitate a deeper connection with oneself, contributing to mental and emotional well-being. The growing global adoption of these practices underscores their effectiveness in managing mental health, bridging Hindu beliefs and contemporary mental health treatment. Ayurveda and mental health. Ayurveda, the traditional Hindu system of medicine, offers insights into the treatment of mental health issues. It advocates for a personalized approach to healing, considering the individual's constitution, prakriti, and the imbalance of the three doshas, vata, pitta, kapha. Treatments may include herbal remedies, dietary changes, and lifestyle adjustments, aiming to restore balance and enhance mental well-being. Modern challenges and perspectives. As Hindu communities navigate the complexities of modern life, there is a growing recognition of the need to integrate traditional beliefs with contemporary mental health practices. This includes addressing stigma, enhancing access to care, and adapting ancient wisdom to suit the needs of today's diverse populations. There is an increasing dialogue within Hindu communities about mental health, reflecting a dynamic interplay between tradition and modernity. Conclusion. Hindu beliefs offer a rich and nuanced perspective on mental health and its treatment, characterized by a holistic approach that considers the mind, body, and spirit. While traditional practices like yoga, meditation, and Ayurveda continue to contribute to mental well-being, there is a growing awareness of the importance of integrating these ancient teachings with contemporary mental health care. This evolving understanding reflects Hinduism's adaptability and its enduring relevance to the challenges of modern life, promoting a balanced and compassionate approach to mental health.